But I don't like the last part. I don't like this particular thing. This is something I don't like it. So to make full use of AI, this is the prompt that first I have written it on my copy, and then I just use the chat GPT to improve this prompt. So with this prompt, it has generated. So if you scroll down below, I have created a new prompt and it has generated. This is also not appealing to me. Let me so you checked. This is not as per my expectation, and again I will keep on going this. I hope this is also same thing happening with you. You keep on generating, and there is some kind of frustration came in mind, like this is not the exact output that I am seeking. So again it got failed, and this is something, you have reached your video generation until 3rd December, so I have to wait. At the top you can see this is the part only that I have to fix, because this is my accountability program. I provide accountability to the business owners, founders, or any freelancer, or any person who wants the consistency. So I want the logo to be animated so that I can create more YouTube videos. For that, what I did, I go to the After Effects, and just, can you see this part? I just cut that part. And that serves my purpose. Instead of going into too much of perfection, this serves my purpose, and I can focus on my different tasks and focus on the task which actually gives me more productivity, because this actually serves a purpose. So this is AI tutorial how you can use the Gemini or different models. You can be a part of this particular initiative of my accountability, where I provide 21 days of tested. You can test for 21 days if it's for you. So most welcome. And also, if you like these type of videos, short to the point videos without wasting your further time type of videos, you can subscribe to this channel.